BTP, Big Business Technology for Small Business.
So, you're home, you're working from home. If you're anything like me and a bit of a road warrior, your laptop, it's sitting on your knee and you use it for everything. Ever noticed that the older the laptop, the warmer it seems to get, and you end up cooking your knee or your leg, and all the air coming out of here is quite warm? Well, what could it be? Why are they getting so hot? Have you had your laptop maintained? Now, you have your hair, skin, all kinds of things falling off you throughout the day. You eat over your laptop, there's dust blowing past, all kinds of particles in the air. And that all gets trapped under the keyboard, inside the fans, and of course your laptop eventually overheats. Not necessarily a good reason for a new laptop. Sure, if you've got one in your budget and you want to do it, go for it. But there are things you can do. So let's have a look at my laptop here at home and find out what's going on. First thing I've done is remove the keyboard and just gave it a few taps, and look what fell out. This laptop's not that old, but it's managed to gather all this stuff underneath. Not a pretty sight, is it? Okay, so I'm not suggesting you do this at home, but of course we're professionals and we know what we're doing. So we just assemble my laptop to have a look inside. Baha, the internals of a laptop. Now, why is it overheating? Well, here's the fan and it's coated in dirt. This fan is bringing in cool air, running it through some pipes over the processor to keep it nice and cool. But let's just remove the fan and see this filter here. That's not a filter. That's not a filter. That is the buildup of dirt from your legs or wherever you've been putting your laptop, off your clothes, whatever it is. These fins are full of it. It's all down in here, and that is why your laptop overheats. And because this is the air intake here underneath, is trying to pull cool air up through from your leg, which it can't because your leg's up against it. And then you've got the cool air in here that can't get through because of these fins. It can't let out the hot air, and overall your laptop heats up. And of course, there you go, one hot laptop. Also, one burnt leg. So, if you open up your laptop, you might find your neighbour's cat hiding in there in the fan. Obviously, we're professionals and we clean them professionally. But like I said before, if your laptop's getting old and at this point and you got the budget, go for a new laptop anyway. Thank you. After cleaning it up, the laptop is now almost 2 times as fast. The air coming out of the fan is a lot cooler, and you can actually hear a noticeable audible difference. It's no longer trying to pull or push the heat through all this dust and junk. And this is what came out of a slimline keyboard and out of the fan, as well as the fact I've had to clean the little fan blades as well. So now my laptop is like brand new again and running nice and quick.